Out here. What's good, y'all? On the way to the beach with the homegirls. Say what's up. Ooh, thank you. We out here. Beautiful Sunday.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like,
Touchdown, baby. We out here. Beautiful Sunday.
my life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, in the city, please come. My life be like leaving breadcrumbs rolling on stray.
Yeah. We out here. Beautiful, beautiful day, man. You guys see them? There's dolphins over there. Oh, there they go. Lit, man. Out here. Crazy. Alright. Yeah, successful shoot, guys. Going home now. Claw, you feel me? Alright, little intermission. What's going on, everyone? Out here in my room, you feel me? About to cook up a new vlog called Custom Drip with Manny the Savage. My sewing machine my mom got me for Christmas last year. My GoPro to record the action. Got my needles ready. Got all my accessories that I'm gonna use to patch on ready, you feel me? Got these 3 pieces right here that I'm working on. One is a flannel that I already started but didn't finish. Also with this vest, this one's really cool. This one's actually for Papa's and Beer. Once it opens in September, that's what that patch is for right there. And a custom marine jacket, fucking fresh, man. I already have a thing I'm gonna do right here also on the back. You know what I'm saying? This one hasn't been touched, but yeah, guys. Looking forward to that. That's episode 76, Cooking Custom Drip with Manny. You feel me? Expanding my creativity and keep cranking out all different types of videos for you guys. But crazy story about what you guys are about to see next. Alright, so boom. Literally my first SD card, I just found it, y'all. Fuck. Let me see if this could focus. Alright, so boom. My first SD card was a 32 gig and it actually came with my camera, right? Alright, so this night that we went to LA to go shoot, I was having this SD card on my camera, right, as I was vlogging this, and I never really got around to editing this because more things kept popping up, right? A few weeks later I lost my first SD card, and this was months ago, and I thought that this shit was long gone, man. Literally till 2 days ago I was cleaning, and it was one of those deep cleans, right, where you move everything, and boom, I fucking found this shit underneath one of my drawers. So I'm so happy, man. I thought I lost a lot of content on here, had some priceless memories, so I'm hyped. So, you know, it's still good content, so enjoy, guys, and you guys keep it lit. Vlogging out here in LA with the boys. Check this out. That's why I got it. Flip out screen. It was good, dog. It was good, Edwin. Homies, LA shit, you feel me? About to shoot. About to get big lit. Smoke up Russian cream, yeah.
I'm with the shit, boy.
Out here with the gas pack. Fucking homies.
If I let it ring, then I'm
Yeah, show me pack real quick.
Stay up in the section while the shit
Homies casual, huh? We in LA, no biggie. Alright, guys, so we are inside Chinatown. Really dope, you feel me? I've never really been here, but we out here. About to flick up right in front of this. Shout out Freddy Fresco. Stupid lit. Oh, we are out here and it's fucking active already, man. The fucking ghetto bird is up there. This is crazy, bro. This is some solid ass fucking content. Damn. Hey, I can't make this shit up. We just pulled up. Holy fuck. That's fucking insane, bro. Were you guys here when they pulled up? It literally just happened right now? Holy shit. Yeah, we're from Anaheim, man. We just pulled up all that. That's crazy. That's right. I'm still finna roll up, but this is pretty entertaining. I don't see this back home. Like we do, but we don't. It's way more active out here. Hey, now they're just mad cops everywhere. What the fuck? Damn, there's cops coming left and right, man. This shit crazy. Out here though. Hell yeah.